Hello and welcome to the new Power BI video, and in this video I want to show you how you can highlight the important events in the line chart. So a line chart like this, and let's say you have an important event on January 2019 and the event is that launch new store in Ohio, right? So if you have a scenario like this where you want to highlight events like this on a particular date, which is quite common because you may want to show that, okay, why the sales are picking up or why the sales are flat, right? So all of these scenarios is something you can highlight with the help of this, which will provide more context to your user. Okay, so before I show you this, just a quick information about how you can get the data and how you can access all my videos very easily. Okay, so here I am. This is the sheet where I keep all of my videos, and you can see it has a video title, video link, topic, category, and the difficulty level. This link is present in description. That way you can very easily access all of my 300 plus videos without much of a hassle by going into the YouTube. Another is the data set. The link is also present over here. In this data set link, you will come down to the data sets sheet, right? And over here, the data set which I'm using is the sample superstore data set in the row number 19. So that way, you can follow along me based on the scenario that I'm explaining. Okay, so how I can create it? Well, first thing first, over here only I will create it. So what I need is a line chart. So I'll create a line chart and I will just expand it like I have done it till here. And now what I need is the order date. In the order date, it has come with entire hierarchy. I don't need it. I need only quarter. So I'm removing the day and month, and I only have year and quarter. And the next thing I need to get is the sales. Still, it is not like this. Reason for this is we need to expand it using expand all down one level. So we'll click here. Now we have expanded everything, right, to the quarterly level. So this now the thing is how we can bring in this line. So to bring this line, we need to come over here in the analysis or the analytics pane. In the analytics pane, we need to come here on the x-axis constant line. Over here, this is the x-axis constant line. Here we need to provide the date. You have the option to dynamically or provide it via some calculation. So for now, what I'll do is I need to go back to 1st January 2019 to highlight this. So now if you see my line has come, I can increase or decrease the transparency. But then how I will bring the information? Will it come from data label? Let's try to enable that, but no. What it gives is only the date, right? It doesn't give me the information or the context, right? So for that, what do we need to do is a customization from the perspective of adding the text box. Yep, adding the text box, and this will be, we will say launched new store in Ohio. That's the trick we need to basically, or component that we need to use it for our advantage, and we will bring it down over here, right? And now if I click here, launch new store, right now the background is coming, so we can select that and we can come in effects, we can uncheck the background, and then its background is gone and it will feel like it is part of this. So that way you can get the lines like this added into the visualization, into the line chart, and then you can basically say that what if I have multiple events? Well, no issues. You can click again over here, go to analysis, again come to x-axis, and again you have the option of adding a line. Add as many lines as you want, right, to provide better context to your users, right? So play around with this, enjoy this video. I hope you will find it useful if you are looking for a solution like this, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.